What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, man. It is bright and early. You guys caught the video yesterday where we bust the paint set down, man, and I just knew I was waking up taking that paint set down in LA to get that thing painted, man. But something better happened, man. Something came up and I had to freaking jump on it, dude. You guys know I'm giving away the big one, man, which is my 2021 Road Glide with the built 124 paired together for first place with my Ford Raptor. Now that I say Ford Raptor, man, you guys know since I'm giving that away, man, I gotta find another truck. Like literally have to find another truck fast and in a hurry, especially before the bike run comes up, because honestly I'm really not trying to drive one of you guys this truck all the way out there, man. I know you guys want it in nice pristine shape, man, so I'm actually just gonna pretty much be parking that thing and waiting for one of you guys to take delivery of that, man. So if you guys haven't entered, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy a blue Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. We got not only first place, we got second and third place, which is our 2017 Road Glide in the candy apple red, and then we got third place, which is our 2013 Road Glide with over $40,000 in parts, man. So now's the time to get in if you never got in before. We are on our way to like Oklahoma City to go pick up a new truck, man. So if you haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in, man. Chase your dreams. Anything is possible. A year ago, I was looking at trucks and stuff like this. Like, man, I only wish I can get one of them, man. So now's the time. We about to hurry up and slide. We got about 15 minutes to catch this flight. So let's see what we can get done. Now, this was definitely last minute. Like, I literally wasn't even really thinking about a truck. But when I seen it online, I was like, dude, can't pass this up for the price that it is, man. And then I had already got everything in motion, so it was like a done deal. It's funny, I've been thinking about a truck, and I actually had one in my head recently, a nice big blue freaking truck, dude. And that was like maybe about 2 weeks ago before I finally decided I wanted a truck yesterday. So let's hurry up and get through the security stuff and see what we got going, man. Alrighty, guys, we done finally made it, man. We on this flight. We got only a few hours to go, man. Wish us luck, dog. Just like that, guys, we have made it to Oklahoma, man. I was looking out the window. It was literally like nothing on the ground, man. No buildings, no nothing, just all dirt and desert, man. I thought Vegas had it bad, man, but we about to try to find a lift, get up to this dealership, and get on up out of here, dog. We got a long way. I think we're about 16 hours away from home, about 7 hours from Memphis. I don't know which one we want to do just yet, man, so just rock with me. Now we out here waiting for a lift. Oh, dang, look at that fighter jet up there. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't got time to zoom in. That fighter jet looked freaking sick. We're waiting on a lift right now. It's about 60 miles away from the airport, man. A whole hour dang near. So we got a bit of a ride before we get there. So while we wait, man, go get your popcorn and everything, man. It's time to go up. Yo. Yo, yo. What's up, man? Yes, sir. How you doing? We got a long way to go, huh?
How far?
Like 60 miles. Here we are. Seth Wadley Ford. Can't wait.
Freaking Ford.
Right.
All the way in the countryside.
Right in the countryside, huh? Hour out of the freaking city, everything.
Look at that freaking rednecks. I'm gonna drop you off right here.
Yeah, all good, man. I appreciate you.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate it.
I'll look out for you. Don't worry.
All right.
Thanks a lot, man. Have a good day.
See you, brother.
See you. What's up, man? Where's my truck? Where's my truck? Where's my truck? Y'all don't speak English?
How can I help you guys?
Huh?
How can I help you?
Who's Robbie? Where's Robbie at?
Robbie's inside. I can get you to Robbie.
Yeah, let's go to Robbie. How you doing, man?
Doing good.
Y'all wouldn't expect me today, huh?
I don't
He's like, I don't know, bro. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, man, I don't.
Yeah.
It's not my customer.
Hey, man. Nah, it's all good, man. Appreciate you.
Something tells me it's the blue one, though.
It's the blue one. It is the blue one.
He's gonna be straight back on the backside of right here.
Oh, cool. Robbie.
But he's ready for you.
Robbie, where you at? Is that you?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the guy. What's up, man? How's it going? Nice meeting you, man. Ashton.
Ashton.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm here to check out the truck, man, the blue one.
What's over here? And actually, I'm getting it cleaned up for you.
Oh, it's clean right now. Oh, cool. Cool. Well, we can check
You
out
made
the
it
paperwork.
quick.
Hey, man, I wasn't playing. You guys told me I was approved yesterday, so I was actually supposed to go to LA today and drop off some stuff, but I was like, let me just get this out the way first. So, yeah.
Driver's license, insurance.
Alrighty, guys, we here at Ford, about to sign some papers, get everything ready to go. We already did everything before we came, so now it's just a matter of signing stuff and getting back on the highway, man. I can't wait. You guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We about to go check out the truck for the first time with you guys here first, man. Let's get it. Man, I need one of them cowboy hats, man. I need one of them cowboy hats.
You need one of them?
I need one of them cowboy hats, man.
You do?
Yeah, I need one. You gonna give me yours or what, man? Huh? I'm about to buy a big truck. I need one of them cowboy hats on my way back to the West Coast.
We don't have any trucks to sell you.
I'm buying one.
Right now?
Right now. You see that big blue truck right there?
Yeah?
Yeah, with the dually with the wide hips.
With the beautiful wheels?
Yeah, that's me. That's
Man,
me.
You're right.
That's me, man.
That's a nice truck.
Thank you, man. Appreciate you. I love it. I can't wait.
Your shirt.
Oh, you see I had to make
Blue
it look
on
nice.
blue.
You see I had to
Blue
make it
on
look
blue.
nice, man.
You did the deal.
Robbie. Yeah, he got me right. Robbie got me right, man. What was your name?
Skip.
Skip. Nice to meet you, man. I'm Ashton.
You going back to the coast?
I'm going back to LA, Los Angeles.
That's where the Russians are going to land.
I hope I don't get there before then, man. I hope I get there after.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, man. We are out here in Oklahoma. Now, I ain't gonna hold y'all. There's literally nothing around here. We're in the freaking desert. But here we are, guys. 2022 Ford F350 with the Big Daddies on there. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my God, guys. I ain't gonna even hold you. I'm so excited right now. This thing is a freaking beast. Like, I literally had a dream maybe like 2 weeks ago that I was in a big dually truck, and a blue dually truck at that, and look what happened. A couple weeks later, we own them joints. Ooh, we got some 24s on that joint, dog. Oh man, we got 24s on that joint, man. That thing look crazy. Oh my God, we got American Force 24 inches on that bad boy. And we got the lights up there at the top. Y'all see what's going on? Hold on, we ain't got the automatic open like the Raptor? What's going on? They slacking, man. Ooh, and we got the floorboards there. Big Daddy floorboards on here. I'm digging it. Ooh. Now, I ain't gonna hold you. It kind of looks the same as the Raptor on the inside, except for, of course, the Big Daddy screen right there, man. That thing is looking all glossed up and everything. That was the main reason I really wanted this truck in particular. 2022, just because it had this updated screen and everything. Now, I could have got the same truck, but a couple years later, but it would have still been like, oh, so now that we got a brand new truck, dude, we can go on all type of trips and everything. Smells so freaking good in here. This thing is sick. Now, we don't have a sunroof, but like I said, we got a dually. I'm excited, man. This thing is crazy. This thing is freaking nuts. A big 4x4. Oh my God. Y'all, I am so excited, man. It's gonna be easy as heck loading bikes up now. The only problem I think I'm gonna have is the fact that this thing sits up a little high. So we just gonna have to find a dip to get that thing up there. But once we get it up there, man, this thing is gonna be looking good and all the above. We got the 8-foot bed back there, man. Y'all know in the Raptor, that bike was nearly hanging off. Excuse me. The bike was nearly hanging off the back. But man, we got them joints. We on them joints, baby. What y'all think about the 2022 F350 with the Big Daddies on there, man? Y'all let your boy know in the comments below. I'm super duper excited, man. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for the big one, man, I'm giving away my 2017 Ford Raptor and my 2021 Road Glide together. That's just for first place, man. We got second place, which is our 2017 Road Glide, and third place, which is our 2013 Road Glide, man. So we got prizes first, second, and third place, man. Now could be your time to shine, man. You guys see I got another truck, so that must only mean it's time for that truck to get up out of here, man. We are more than halfway sold out, man, so now's the time to get in. If you haven't, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy your blue Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We got the blue Everything's Regular hat with the blue F350 dually truck, man. I'm loving that thing. That thing is looking sick. We gotta finish up some paperwork, but we gonna get out of here in a sec, man. See, they do got the C8 here, man. They do got the C8 looking all good and lovely. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't liking them really, them American little slits down there. But pretty nice car. I don't know how much it is or what's the asking price on it, but it does look really, really nice and clean, man. But dang, look at that big blue thing back there, man. Y'all see what's going on. We are out here with my guy Robbie, man. The man with the plan got us in this big blue F350, man. If you guys need any cars or any big trucks, man, you guys know who to come see, man. My guy Robbie here at Seth, what is it?
Seth Wadley Ford.
Seth Wadley Ford, man. We out here in Oklahoma, literally about 30 minutes out of the city, but it's definitely worth it, man. So if you guys want a deal and you guys see me with the big 2022, it only happened because we got a deal, man. So shout out to the guy right there, the man with the plan himself. Yes, sir, man.
Rumor.
Yes, sir. Man, so is it time to go? You think I'm going to enjoy this truck or what, man?
You're gonna love it.
I'm gonna love it. I can't wait, man. I got a long drive, man. So
You wanna get in there and take it for a spin? I wanna see your reaction.
hey, you see, I want to take it for a spin, but I got a whole lot of spin to get back to the West Coast, you know?
I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you.
Hey, man, you just got to see the video on YouTube, man.
Yeah, you dang right.
My
I don't got
God.
anything between the teeth, do I?
Yeah, no, it's good, man. You look fine, man.
I appreciate it.
I appreciate it, man. Good looking out. I didn't know it was 24s on there. I thought it was 22s. Them things
No,
look sick.
those things are very expensive wheels.
Yeah, those are nice, man.
They're not playing around.
Well, I'm trying to run over some little cars, man.
You listen. You get up on some rears, they'll get out of your way.
Right, huh?
This big, yeah.
They gonna like, damn, yeah, I need to move, man. That's not, it's not gonna cut it. I ain't gonna hold you. This truck's so clean, y'all. That thing look hard. I'm mad this camera not really doing justice right now with these clouds and everything. It's windy and everything, man. But ooh, y'all see it here first. We got the tags on there. Big Daddies. Ooh. Man, this truck's so hard, man. This truck is so hard.
Look at that. That's perfect.
Let's see it. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, that's definitely perfect. Alrighty, guys, this is the first ride in our 2022 big dually. I ain't gonna hold you. This thing feels freaking amazing. Big dually. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, you better watch out, man. I'm running over stuff. I don't want to run you over, dog. Better watch out. Man, shout out to my guy, Robbie, man. He hooked us up and got us going. My guy. The man with the plan himself, man.
Hey, listen. Hey. I'm gonna be putting you on my Facebook.
Got you.
I'm gonna get all my guys to follow you.
Right. Appreciate you, man. Good looking out.
Hey, we'll
man,
see
thanks
you.
a lot for the help, man. Good
All right,
looking
brother.
out.
Hey, peace out, guys.
Hey, I'll see you later. Yes, sir, man. I am riding off the freaking lot with this joint, dog. I am excited, man. I got a long way to go. So, no need to keep filming right now. Let me enjoy this for myself for a second, and I'll get back to y'all in a hot second, man. We gonna get it, though.
Niggas get hit, got me on this. Hit it on like a sis, go with the assist.
Man, when I tell y'all it's freaking like storming type, windy, man, if y'all can just see the freaking road here. Like, I just need y'all to get a real glimpse of the road. Like, it's crazy out here. It look like it's dang near snowing. Definitely 33 degrees, man. That's why I ain't been recording much. I'm just like, man, let me focus on the road because it look crazy out here. I ain't gonna even hold you. So much fog sweeping the freaking freeway. Like, it just looks so nuts. And just like that, guys, we have finally made it back to Vegas. Like 16 hours later, we got the wrap in the back, man. If you guys haven't entered to win, man, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy your blue Everything's Regular hat, and this can be your truck, man. Yes, the Ford Raptor. I'm giving that away with my 2021 Road Glide, man. But you guys see here, the star of the show today, our big blue F350, man. Now, I'm sorry the video couldn't be a lot better, man. But like I said, I was driving 16 hours, and I was really just trying to get back, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm definitely going to show you guys the features and all that good stuff and give you guys some good slow-mo and actually go through the truck with you more tomorrow. I just wanted to show you guys today and take you on with my journey, man. So I appreciate all you guys. I want you guys to know that anything is possible, man. All you got to do is believe and never give up on yourself, man. If you give up on yourself, man, you're really not going to have a chance, man. So whatever you want to do in life, man, make sure you go after it. It don't matter what it is, man. Anything is possible. Don't ever stop believing, man. That being said, I'm about to hop in this joint, get to the house, because we got a long day ahead of us tomorrow, man. So I'm gonna have to find a car wash for this thing, because I'm definitely not washing it, man. And it's freezing out here, it was snowing and everything. I have to get the car seat out this car, because the car seat been in here all day, man. So that's cool. Now, I kind of need to get that rat back there, but I'm not, man. I'm actually just gonna keep that in there, at least for now, man. So we'll see. But here is the truck. Well, trucks rather. Them big daddies, man. This is the only thing I don't like, is how the lights are like these yellowy, cheapy lights. They look kind of weak, honestly. But the truck itself look freaking amazing, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Like I said, it was so much like bad weather, rain, snow, and everything. You guys seen it before we hopped on the road. Now it looks like, man, it just been through it. But we gonna get to the house, try to park this thing, and hope for the best. Dang, I didn't realize how big this truck was. That's crazy. I did not realize how big this truck was, man. That is nuts. That's nuts. Look at this truck compared to the Raptor. That is nuts. That thing is huge.